What's up, online shoppers and Blackstone aficionados? If you are looking for some great squeeze bottles to help you deliver all the best in your Blackstone recipes, these 32-ounce squeeze bottles are a must-have. In this box, you get not one, but two 32-ounce Blackstone squeeze bottles. Now, obviously, they have the Blackstone name, and they are both 32-ounce capacity. So you have a total of 64 ounces of delicious potential right here. Now, these bottles have a really cool lid on them. Obviously, to get ingredients in and out, you're gonna have to open this way, right? But the top here has a really nice twist lid, and you're never gonna lose the top because it's attached. Now, this reminds me of like my mustard bottles, where all you have to do is just give the top a twist, and you can see that the little stopper inside opens up and slides down so that you can then squeeze, get your contents out, and then close it back up to keep everything nice and fresh. These are great squeeze bottles for storing oil, barbecue sauce, water, and it's a great way to keep those essentials close at hand, but also to make sure that they don't get contaminated with dirt and bugs and other kind of things that would mess with your sauce. Filling these with water is a great way to actually steam your veggies on your griddle. Have your veggies, you have one of your covers, you squeeze the water on, cover it up really quick, and as the water evaporates off of the griddle, you're steaming your veggies, and you don't even need a pot. These are also super convenient because you can use them and then put them back in your fridge, and they're ready to go for the next time. If you're looking for a great accessory for your Blackstone aficionado, whether that would be you or someone that you care about, these 32-ounce Blackstone squeeze bottles, 2-pack, are definitely a family favorite at my house.